Hello, friends. Good morning. This is Abhishek once again presenting you the daily market update. So let us take a look on how market should behave in today's session. Starting with Nifty, 20 days moving average is placed around 10,780, 50 around 10,180, and 100 around 9,770, 200 around 10,870. So in previous few sessions, market has been strongly closing above 200 days moving average, which is a good sign. So number one, you should be expecting some positivity in the market. However, if you look closely on the market, there are two things that you need to watch. Number one, 20 days moving average and 50 days moving average, they have gone extremely far. Number two, there is a divergence. Yes, if you look at the chart below, this blue line here on the RSI chart is into downtrend. However, this blue line, if you look, this trend line is exactly into uptrend. So RSI on a downtrend and Nifty on an uptrend, this is a clear divergence. We should expect some kind of falls. So I would suggest you to wait for a fall, and then unless and until you've got some bullish crossovers on charts, then initiate buying. In case you already have long positions, stay hedged, don't stay naked. We have a divergence, it can trigger any kind of corrections. Rest I'll keep you posted during market hours. One more thing, very important, the volumes have been below average, so of course there is no such strength. Again, that's getting confirmed by the RSI as well. So we have two reasons why market should not go up in today's session. Point number two, on 13 July, Nifty made a high of 10,894, approximately 10,900 in round figures. So that day the volumes were extremely high. The volumes were the highest in last 2 years. So that's a decision making point. Unless and until we are holding above it, don't make any negative views. Buy on dips. Now, buying on dips doesn't mean markets corrected 50, 60 points and you just went into buying. Wait for some signal, wait for some reasons to buy. I'll keep you posted during market hours. Now, let us look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again, it's weaker in comparison to Nifty. It's been holding above its 20 days moving average, which is 22,170. In case 22,170 is breached, it may test its 50 days moving average, which is 20,870. The nearest moving average under 20 DMA is 21,140. So in case 22,000 is broken, in short term markets may correct up to 21,200 to 21,150 levels. So two things, don't go by buying initially, because Bank Nifty has one more issue today. ICICI Bank's results have shown extremely high provisioning and it may fall today, and ICICI Bank is one of the major contributors of banking index, so it could reflect on the prices as well. So in Bank Nifty, this is how you should proceed from here on. Rest, RSI again is behaving the same way as it is doing into Nifty. Rest, let's look at the sectorial indices. Auto index looks positive. It may find support around 7,000, so buy on dips. Energy looks great, majorly contributed by Reliance. IT looks strong too. Pharma looks good. However, pharma looks struggling on top. So be watchful for 10,111 levels. Post that 99.33 levels on pharma index. In case pharma index by any chance breaches 99.33, it could trigger a downfall. It would be a correction. Rest, one thing to notice, IT and pharma are two indices which have been the biggest beneficiaries of the pandemic. So a broader view on both these indices are positive. So wait for some dips and corrections, for which I will be updating on real-time basis to our customers. Metals again look struggling. US-China trade tensions are cropping up, which may add more worries to the metal sector. Now, at the end, there is one more thing very important that I want to discuss. I've been seeing people talking too much about how gold keeps going up and up, which is usually considered to be a safe haven when investors deploy their money or park their money in case of any market crisis, and people are expecting some market crisis looking at gold. Well, I would suggest don't make stories by yourself. Read the markets, try and understand what markets are showing. I'll tell you a very small story. In 2008, Nifty made its low in November 2008, which was around 2250, 2260 approximately. Now, Next 3 years, that is 2011 August, Nifty was more than double. Gold, it also came from 750 levels to more than 1600, almost doubled, rather more than double. So on a broader picture, gold and indices have got a positive correlation. They both move, together. So there's nothing to worry about that. Don't forecast, don't try to make your stories yourself. Just follow the markets. Rest, I'll keep you posted during market hours. Thank you so much. This is Abhishek Raj, son of two superhumans, my mom and dad, brother of two most caring sisters on the planet, a gardener and a chef by hobby, a computer technician turned quality analyst, now a stockbroker and investment advisor. Wish you all the best for the day. Happy trading. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Abhishek Raj signing off.